Hello and welcome to another how-to video. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in a BMW 5 Series key fob. The first step is to bring out the actual key blade from the key fob, and you may not know how to do this part, but inside the key fob there's an actual key. So if you press this in like so and then pull, it will bring out the actual key blade. Okay, so remove that part. Now here we can see the key fob without the blade. So now you can see where the blade would have been. Now can you see just above that there's a little tab, and on this side as well there's a little tab, and basically this is the cover to the battery compartment. I've got a small screwdriver here, but you could use your nails or a larger screwdriver. But basically you just need to get under here. See, once you can get it up, there we go, it just flips off and you can remove the battery inside. To remove the battery inside, go under like this. As you can see, the battery pops out. The next step is to put in the new battery into place, and you can see it just goes in, and then you just need to click it into place like that. And that is now done, and then you just need to close the back. You can see here, this just needs to go in. And it should click closed like that. Make sure it's all properly closed. There we go. And finally, put the key blade back into the key to complete the process and have it as a normal fob again. There we go. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you have, please like, share and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.